the clone Brave in Love, number 37. Woo! This one is sweet, addictive. Who just walked in scent? Warm marshmallow, soft florals, and cozy vanilla all wrapped into one ridiculously good cloud. Love this. Why you need it? You get a luxury level fragrance vibe without the luxury level wallet attack. This smells expensive. It feels expensive. It acts expensive. It's a confidence booster in a bottle. The type of scent that turns a basic school drop-off into a runway moment. How to use it? 2 sprays, daytime. 3, if you're feeling bold. Pulse, points only. Wrist, neck, behind the ears. And let the compliments pour in. What I really like about this, in all seriousness, the sweet marshmallow note hits fast and it's delicious. Super good. The floral mix keeps it grown up. This lasts for hours and hours and smells way pricier than it actually is. Okay. Final verdict on this one. Final verdict, Brave in Love. If you want a perfume that gets noticed, feels so luxury, and doesn't rob you blind, this one, the clone, Brave in Love, number 37, is a no-brainer. This video is sponsored, but the nose on this face does not lie.